Mindy Kaling's well known for her hilarious role on The Mindy Project, but her older brother, VJ Chokalingam, is making himself known by revealing he pretended to be black to get into medical school. Hi, I'm Mike Janela for Buzz60. The Asian Indian American author says that he didn't think he could get into med school 15 years ago, so he changed his looks and applications to say he was black, and that the offers and interviews came pouring in. Chokalingam is telling all on his website almostblack.com, which promotes his upcoming memoir. He shows the original version of himself with his basic med school credentials next to his, quote, African-American version. Same stats, but Chokalingam shaved his head, trimmed his eyelashes, started going by his middle name JoJo, and joined a black student group. The results, he says, were interviews at 11 medical schools, including Harvard, UPenn, and Columbia, plus acceptance at St. Louis University. Chokalingam says he's making all this public now to show his opposition to affirmative action admissions policies. And what does Mindy think? Well, her publicist confirms the siblings are estranged, but Chokalingam quotes Mindy as saying, "This book will bring shame on our family." We're guessing this won't help bring the family back together anytime soon. Buzz60, now you know. Pass it on.